Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Wallet. So first, open the Play Store or App Store on your mobile device and make sure that the Google Wallet app is updated to the latest version available. After that, open it up and make sure to sign in with your Google account. After that, you will be sent to this page. Simply tap on the Add to Wallet button. Select payment card and enter the details of your debit card. Due to privacy restrictions, this screen wasn't recorded, but all you need to do is enter your card details to add to your wallet. Once you have done that, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen and select Wallet Settings from the menu. Now you will be redirected to this page where you will be able to enable this feature for your wallet. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.